So the next one is BIS TM from India. Are you ready? Check your micro, please. Maybe you muted.
Hey, yeah, this is Siddharth here from BizTM. So, so we are the social commerce 2.0 of India. We are building a community commerce app in India. So, a bit about our team. Yeah, so we are the two co-founders. Myself, Siddharth Biani. I have 10 years of WorkX working with multiple startups in India, to name Snapdeal, Meesho, Credder, and others in the founding team members, as well as heading their category development. Amit, on the other hand, has 9 years of WorkX, and he has founded his own startup previous to founding BizTM, and has worked with Bluejack as VP operations and Credder as the founding team member. So we both know each other from last 5 years and have a good chemistry. And our core team comes from multiple unicorns of India, like Oyo, Shriram Group, and Snapdeal. So coming to what we are doing. So the problem that we are trying to address is, let's take a tier 2 plus household. Like these are 400 million Indians who are not transacting online, right? Now their average monthly spend on the home and personal needs category is 2,500 Indian rupees, where average basket size is around 200 rupees and average product price is 150 rupees. And these categories includes items which are commonly used in your everyday needs, like kitchen items, home products, beauty personal care, health and wellness products, and small electronics products. These are largely unorganized and unbranded categories, and their penetration on Indian e-commerce is very low. And why this is low? Because of the high logistics cost in the dropship model. So dropship model is when a product is delivered from the supplier to the consumer. Typical cost comes to around 90 rupees Indian rupees. And considering these low ASP products or low price products, this cost is very significant when we are trying to sell through a Indian e-commerce. And that is why these e-commerce models are not fit for these low price products. To give you an example, I've taken one example as Quick Chopper. This is an everyday use product in Indian kitchens. This is sold on Flipkart, which is one of the major Indian e-commerce websites, at 239 rupees. Available in retail store, the neighborhood mom and pop stores, at just 175 rupees. So it's a huge cost that e-commerce have, which makes it unviable to sell these low SP products. Now, what we are doing, so we are building a community commerce app for home and personal needs, targeting the underpenetrated Indian population, and introducing a cost-effective community commerce model in Indian e-commerce through a network of our community leaders. So we are using the community of our community leaders, also called as biz owners, to sell these products within their community in a very cost-effective way. How our business model works. So we are an M2B2C platform. We procure directly from manufacturers. Thus, we get a very best pricing in the market, and we sell to the consumers through our channel of business owners in an aggregated delivery format. Now, here, the business owners shares our product with their community in their neighborhood and generates the orders from the consumers and places the order in bulk with us. And we ship the order in an aggregated format to the biz owner, thus saving a loss on the logistics cost, which helps us reduce our logistics cost and the product price. And the biz owner delivers the product to the consumer in the and does the last mile delivery for us. So that is where we save a lot on logistics cost. And there is a consumer interface where consumer can browse the products and check for discounts and order directly with their biz owners. In terms of margins, we have a gross margins of 60% available with us, out of which we keep around 25%, and we pass on 35% to the biz owners, which is the industry highest in India. Now, coming to our solution, why do these biz owners and consumers work with us? So we are a neighborhood one-stop shop, a one-stop general store, which provide wide assortment of the products which are available with every biz owner. We directly work with manufacturers and curate all the products and for the quality and the pricing. So all the products are of high quality and best pricing, and it's a very convenient process for the consumers, because consumers and biz owners lives in the same neighborhood. They know each other and trust each other. Thus, it solves the problem of for the consumers. Now, who are these biz owners? Typically in India, shopkeepers are a very good fraternity. Almost 15 million shopkeepers, small mom and pop stores in India. They are a very good part of our biz owner network. They are already expert in selling, already using WhatsApp to sell their products, have a network of roughly 3,000 households and earns 15 to 20,000 per month. And second is this social sellers who are already using WhatsApp and Facebook to grow their products. They are leveraging social network to grow their business, typically have a network of 200 households and earns 5 to 10,000 per month. By working with us, they have an earning potential of 30 to 50,000 per month, which is very lucrative for them. In terms of early traction,
time is over.